Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk XRP, and this will be an exciting video because an analyst has recently stated that it is now time to buy XRP. So this is going to come as an XRP warning to a lot of people out there. If you're new to the channel, awesome. I welcome you all. Make sure you guys all like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. All right, we do talk XRP and all your favorite cryptos each and every day right here on the channel. So I want to get into it. Full disclosure, it was too nice of a day to be inside talking crypto, so I figured I'd go outside to the park and get outside, make this video remote. But we are going to talk about it. We're going to pull up the news, pull up what these comments are as we get into this XRP discussion. All right, so like I said, guys, make sure you all subscribe to the channel and let's get into it. Okay, so a recent analyst has said to buy XRP now before it reaches $40. Okay, so we're going to talk about that. But before we do, let's dive into the charts, see what is happening within the crypto bubbles. You can see it's been a red day, so we have had a couple green days in a row. And now, since selling off, it's been kind of interesting to see basically ASI and ICP defying the rest of the market. Those are two cryptos we do talk about. They are in the green, but otherwise, it's been a red day. XRP currently down 1.7%, trading at 52.8. I did a video yesterday talking about some of my price ranges for XRP, where I want to see it at, what we're doing, but still ranked 7th in market cap, just a tick below $30 billion. So let's get into the comments, because if we're going to hit $40, we're going to have to see a lot of price movement, okay? That would basically be a little bit under an 80x, just above a 75x. For XRP right now, where we're at on the charts. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's talk about it, because this is the comments that I want to talk about. So Steph, a widely I should say, followed market analyst, calling for market participants to load up on XRP before a surge to $40. Now, this is a recent analysis where we've seen that XRP is poised for a breakout. There's been a lot of bullish patterns across the short-term time frame as well as the monthly time frames, and this is where a lot of these TA indicators are pointing towards a rally in the coming months. Now, for me and what I do with my crypto trading, I defer to my trading indicator more so than not. I'm going to pull that up for you guys right here, so you guys can see. It kind of combines all that TA. It uses momentum, and which is one of the indicators that I use a lot. But we are trading above that blue line, and we have flashed momentum down on August 26th, 27th, and we still have not recovered from that. So trading below some of the SMAs, this is where, as long as we're above this blue line, though, for my money, that's kind of where I look for XRP to continue its ascension, right? Over the last 2 years, if we zoom out, you've seen we've stayed above this blue line and we've dipped below it, indicated by this teal circle. We've always bounced up off of that. This is kind of the steady trend line that I've looked for XRP. Obviously, it's not financial advice, just how I view XRP in my personal financial interests. Okay, so make sure you do your own research and due diligence, but we do bounce off this blue line. So right now we're just hovering a tick above it, and so that's where I look for it to be a floor. If we go below that blue line, that's when I look to add to XRP. That's good entry points in my opinion. And then more so than not, we do bounce above that very shortly following. Okay, so XRP continues its ascension. For me, in my money, it's always been about 63, 66 cents. That's where I look for XRP to really have its day. But let's get back into the comments from this, right? This is where we've seen an inverted head and shoulders pattern on the XRP daily chart, noting that a breakout will be confirmed when we see a daily close above the neckline located around 65 cents. Now, right now, XRP is trading at 53.8. It's up about 1%. This video does not reflect the current prices in real time, so always make sure you find the real-time data, because you could be watching this video a little bit later than these numbers that are currently at during this publication. Now, once this breakout's confirmed, the next technical target could reach $1.11. That would be a little over 106% of an increase from the current levels. Now, on the monthly chart, this is even more optimistic when he looks at the outlook from that, seeing that we've been consolidating within a larger symmetrical triangle. That's basically what that blue line is. It's the bottom line of that symmetrical triangle, and according to that, that's where we could see XRP break out and to finish as high as $40 on the charts. That would be over a 7,334% percentage growth from its current value. Steph is not kind of, I guess you say, unrealistic, because he does realize that $40 target is ambitious, so he advises extreme caution, noting that it should be treated as a rough guideline. Now, for me, in my money, yes, that is a huge increase. I've talked about it. That's just a crazy, kind of far-fetched, personally, if we want to talk about $40 XRP. But it's something where at these levels, right? If you're buying at 60 cents, 50 cents, even $1, if you're buying XRP at these levels, does it really matter? If you get XRP at $1, you're still looking at a 40x from there. So remaining confident about that breakout. I do believe XRP is going to get very bullish. For me, it's a 9-month window. Q4 of 2024, as well as running into the next 6 months in Q1 and Q2 of 2025. I think if we do get some tailwinds in a more pro-crypto environment from a regulatory standpoint as well as a governmental standpoint, I think that with all those policies, with a pro-crypto kind of regime, if you will, within the United States, I think that's very, very ambitious, especially as interest rates are looking to be cut, get inflation under control, and then I think crypto will have its day. People will be spending less money at the grocery store and at the gas pump on health insurance, on car insurance, and then they'll have more money left over to get back into the fold when it comes to volatile digital assets. Okay, so that's kind of where I'm at. I think that XRP will see a bullish rally. They did not get to participate in the 2021 breakout that we saw on the charts, so it's kind of an interesting scenario. But $40 for me is a little bit too far-fetched if I'm just going to keep it 100 with you guys. But I do see a very, very big breakout coming for XRP in those 9 months. We talked about that window. That's kind of where I look for crypto to absolutely take off. So for what I'm doing with my crypto trading, I'm doing some swing trades, I'm doing some short-term meme trades, but I'm kind of holding tight till we get to that 9-month window, because that's when I'm really going to start focusing in on accumulation and just kind of where my positions are at and evaluating that along the way. So that's kind of what we have going on. XRP right now, it's been very much a low performing crypto, but a lot of these TA patterns, a lot of the monthly outlooks, that's showing a lot of signs and indicators that we are going to see explosive growth. I'm going to look to my trading indicator when we do get momentum up. That's what I'm going to look into possibly buying XRP. Okay, but that's kind of where you can't ignore it, because I do think XRP is coming. It's just right now, the conditions right now are very unfavorable. All right, so let's keep an eye on it. We have the Federal Reserve meeting on September 18th. That's going to introduce a lot of volatility potentially, maybe good volatility, right? If they do cut interest rates, if we get a bullish surge back into crypto, that's something where you look into 2020 when rate cuts spurred a incredible bull run that sent Bitcoin and altcoins to all-time highs. It's interesting, though, to note that Bitcoin had hit all-time highs and XRP still lagged in terms of its price action. So we'll see what happens. But this is a wait-and-see approach for me. $40 is a little too ambitious. Let's get to $1, and then let's talk about hitting those double-digit numbers when we talk about the price of XRP. So that's what I have for you guys in this video update. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys all like this video, smash it if you will. Leave your comments. Where do you see XRP coming? Do you think this is a very bullish kind of do you agree with all these bullish indicators that we're talking about here in this video? And where do you see XRP's price ending up in the near to intermediate future? Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.